Welcome to the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max HF57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable for Star Times, now channel 195. And for those who they watch us for on top of My TV, on top of channel 17. www.wazobiatv.tv/live. For those who they watch us anywhere inside obodo the world on top of the internet. This is not the ogbonge politics discussion show. As in the heart, we tell you say every weekday from 10 to 11, not on Christmas. Sake of say all the action story where they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, discuss the matter, give you license to choke mouth inside and talk them the way the team be you for body so that those who the leaders go do it hear word, take the necessary steps to move this our country forward. My name now Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu and I stay concerned the political matter as it
Yes, a beautiful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Yes, we don't carry the terrible edition of the program as the hot coming our way, and today will be Monday. And we'll go give now all the information of what happened over the weekend. Because I'll be telling on Friday say yes, so we go lock our shop. Want to say at least say people will need to relax and rest. But then we'll put our ear for ground so that at least any information they get, any latest gist they get, at least today will be Monday we'll go sunshine out there. And now we don't come here can't do. We'll also open our phone line so that when that time reach, and for now to also call and contribute. Now if we contribute now 1/4 to the whole information we don't grant. My name never change. My name is Nkubi. And this now Ask EY. We
get ogbonge visitors when we say they know they waka anyhow. But based on say the issues where they come out smoke inside Nigeria political boxing, now one when we say they must contribute inside the matter, they don't come out, go decide say they go sit down with us inside studio today to discuss. And we get two people when sabi well as it get to do with issues when they affect us inside obodo Nigeria. And from my immediate right, I go introduce Oga Eze Eluchie. Oga Eze Eluchie, na attorney that is na lawyer when sabi people and na also public affairs analyst. The other person when very close to Nkubi, na person when we say he no be visitor for us here, he be family member, he they come here, they discuss issues, and they sound them every time say young people need to they participate for government because if you get old idea, no they make things, they move forward. We talk of no other than Daniel Akinlami. He also a public affairs analyst, and everybody will remember saying where the Jesse to represent in political party that time. But based on say monkey hand, they enter inside things inside the obodo Nigeria. He be like say the hostel and say that Jesse when you wear, he be like you go commot. He commot but he still they participate for inside the process. Our ogbonge visitors, una welcome to As in the Hot.
My country people, well done. No, I salute all of you now.
We get one particular tradition on top of As in the Hot.
Yes, so.
They shake the hand of our visitors there.
Okay, my brother.
So that when the discussion starts, you know, go be like
no go say we fight.
You know, go be like say we shake the hand.
Thank you very much.
As we do every Monday, we tear nylon come out on top of the action story from the weekend. And today, because of time and the fact that we want to discuss these issues where we carry only 4 stories come. And the first one get to do with the new video where we say one of the factional leaders of Boko Haram, Oga Abubakar Shekau, one of the videos where we say he released about the Chibok girls and the fact say he still they talk with confidence say the girls them did their hand. Make we break this scenario down. Everybody knows say the previous videos when we say they release, they go show in face. Sometimes they go even hold twin stick and gun. They do like this, they move from left to right. Sometimes he go get time, he go type the thing for paper, begin to read them out. But this time around, he rap in face where we're like moi. Some people can't even talk, say people like say no be even I'm there inside the video. But the gist where they be say one of the mama of the girls went talk, Dokas Yakubu, his mama recognize and talk say, na my pikin be that. And some of the gist when come from the video and talk say our soldier people based on the way when they bomb Boko Haram them, say some of these girls them, be like say some of them don't buy for this our bombing them. We go small break, come back. When we go the break, come back. We'll drop all the remaining 3 stories them. Go enter into the discussion based on this new video when we say Boko Haram jaguda people don't release about the Chibok girls. Are we moving forward? No go anywhere. And still ask either are you where the house go complete now? Hot. Will they come back?
Yes, and welcome back to the program now. Ask EY Hot. And for our viewers who they watch us right now, the Monday edition, the terrible edition, and now we'll carry come on our way. I will get Chukwudi still this and also give now this that is the first story. We'll also get Oga Eze Eluchie, where we Chukwudi call him lawyer, we say a strong lawyer. I will also get Oga Daniel Akinlami for studio. And this matter we'll do this now. All the matters we will do it, we will address. Straight up, we will enter into the second story. We concern that is this thing, according to what we hear, EFCC go do it. Go invite Oga Abdulmumin Jubri to interrogate him for the second time over an alleged this way they indict this time around. From the story where we get, what they talk say he get one particular contract where he involve him that is range to about 418 million naira. And according to the contract, say in the end, there's about 10 companies now they award that contract to. But in the end, they don't see the sign of that contract, and they don't see the location where that contract carry go. And for this reason, yes, it's okay, they will interrogate them. From what we also hear, now the National Commission for Refugees, now in this thing, now involved, and now them also do it, now they also carry this worker to do it, to also put out this information, so that at least they also know, say, Abdul Mumin himself, and he gets some kind of cases in the past, what happened for 2014. Now the case, that is the continuation of the case we concern Abdul Muni on top of corruption matter be that.
From that particular story, we go enter the one we get to do with the opposition party inside obodo Nigeria. Everybody knows, say, as Nigeria dey so now, the biggest and the most vibrant opposition party now the People's Democratic Party. But some people they talk, say, based on the way we say PDP they go, people will get what they call implode. Say it be like, say, the final coffin, the nail when they go knock on top of the coffin of the PDP. Now it be like, say, now this week now they go knock that particular nail. This one because of, say, they get double chairman. Then when they claim, say, okay, oh, and then be the Oga Patapata for inside PDP, we get Ahmed Mekarfi and we also get Alimodu Sheriff. Oga Alimodu Sheriff don't come and contact, say, he get some kind of condition when we say they suppose meet if they want making drop all the old gbege when we say carry put on top of their head as it get to do with court case or court matter. He don't come and talk, say the convention when they want to do for Rivers State, may they stop him. Say no, even 1 year at all. Say they will do convention maybe for Abuja. He don't also come talk and say Oga Nyesom Wike, say no one making get anything to do with that thing based on say these people they want hijack the People's Democratic Party and they want destroy that party. Other people come and talk, say be like saying they eye the office of the president of inside obodo Nigeria because the PDP after they lose election they don't already come and talk, say 2019 say that person will come from the northern part of the country and go become Oga Presido for inside the country based on say go wear the jersey of the PDP. Other people come to talk, say whether this convention when they plan say go hold this Wednesday 2 days from now, whether the thing go now something when we say we go the way to see. People come and talk, say go good make we get opposition when strong inside obodo Nigeria so that those when they rule us they no go dey rule like say na snake and ladder or ludo that they take Nigerians play because they know say alternative to government dey. When we enter inside the discussion our ogbonge visitors dem go chook mouth inside and talk am the whole anything dey really hot.
From there, we go enter straight to Ilasamaja, for that is an area in for Lagos State where, according to the report they get, would they hear say police don't discover 10 illegal oil well for this particular area, and for the streets where they discover these places na Ibadan and Abiyokuta Street for Ilasamaja. From the story where we hear, we'll be here say some police people do it. Don't they get information about some kind of illegal business when they take out or they play out for this particular street and for this particular houses, about 10 houses just as I state. So they can't do it. They can't carry out an undercover investigation, and then they can also discover say around 4 a.m. say some kind of illegal business transaction can they take place for these places, and now they take it, they take bar the people where they involved for this thing. From there, the whole secret of oil well, the whole secret of this thing, the business of oil, they can't discover them. From what we hear say these people say they dig this thing, their ground, link am to the pipelines where oil they pass. Now from there they do it, they carry out this illegal business of drilling oil, collecting oil from this particular pipeline where pass under their tunnel. But the police they under this case, still on top of this case. And from what we hear, we don't hear say the police don't also tell the residents of this house, make them do it, make them pack commot, so that they will fit do it. They will fit carry eyes, put inside this matter, know who and who they involve and who be the monkey hand where they carry out this badness. Now the matter will concern Ilasamaja and the discovery of 10 oil this thing, bunkery, illegal bunkery for there.
Una don hear all the gist when we carry come and our ogbonge visitors dem go chook mouth inside the particular matter now. Oga Eze, make I start with you now. This particular story na the one wey be say I dey sure say everybody inside obodo Nigeria they watch with attention this particular one, the way the thing go take go, and this one get to do with the video when we say Boko Haram jaguda people they been released. Make we break this thing down, make we understand am. We don't know say whether we like them or not. Division on the among Boko Haram jaguda people. Say we get Alba now, we when ISIS come and talk say na him be the one when we say they recognize, and we get Abubakar Sheka when they be like say still they do strong, get say na him be the person. I want to ask this particular division when on there between these people now. Now good thing for us. I mean, na something when we say by good thing for us. I mean say na something when we say we fit take advantage of quickly, or na something when we say go even make us they more worried because it can't be like say we don't know who be the real Boko Haram or who be the one who will follow discuss.
My brother, thank you very much. Now the truth of this Chibok abduction will begin clear for I. Say right from the very beginning, why you there for that abduction?
Why you dey inside the abduction?
Why you dey inside the abduction?
By why you how you take mean?
Now, when that school, if to say you remember, federal government say make they no take exam for that school.
Not true.
The state government say we go do them, everything they okay for that school.
You talk am.
The first time when they come carry these children come out, the principal of the school talk say, nah, she did the army come, say they won't carry these girls, come and go and that place.
True.
But when the former Madam First Lady come ask her if she come Abuja, she changed her story. Say she did Abuja and her pikin. Now he say make the tell that story. If you can't look this story well, you're going to say the girls where they carry come from that school, over 300 girls. You know they possible make terrorists can't carry 300 girls and no go shoot anyone.
For states when we say they under partial emergency.
Good. They no go shoot any person. Nobody die. No, they just carry 300 and something girls come out. Then after that thing happened, for the next 2 weeks, the governor of the state begin work out the whole world. Instead of him to begin look for the girl we miss, he begin go the whole world, go to tell and say, look, girls don't miss, so this government they useless, so this. We say sure. And true, that time the president when they in charge that time believes say this thing a joke, this was a joke. That's why government no they involved. The truth be say that Chibok abduction, now arrange matter. Then just waste those girls for nothing. To take useless the former government. Now, as it don't happen now, because they don't begin divide among themselves. The one person of Boko Haram say we no agree to negotiate, and that one say we agree to negotiate. That is why they see all this kind of rubbish they come up now. And the thing, anyhow you look at it, no go better for Nigeria. Because when you build on evil, when you build on corruption, when you use the blood of innocents, climb into power, you must pay for it. All those girls,
make I get something straight here now.
Yes.
You agree, say, they carry girls.
They carry girls, but who carry the girls? No, that ain't be the problem. The person who carry the girls, now person will get natural order over those girls. That is the only way you can move 300 people.
When they no shout,
they no shout,
they no fear,
none of them
run.
You no shoot anybody. Now only person will get natural authority. Say make una move, they move. No be terrorist.
So this one now for you now, the way they look at now set up.
Now set up.
Oga Akinlami, I see the way you take sit down, they look. I know say you want jump into this particular conversation. Make I see the angle where you carry come from.
This way, plenty conspiracy theory dey for this Chibok girls matter. So I think for us to see road where make we just do the part of objectivity. Because the story is plenty. And different fashion. The Maiduguri fashion, they there. PDP fashion, they there. Ali Modu Sharif fashion, they there. Former president fashion, they there. Then
for this Chibok matter?
Yes, on top this Chibok matter. And if we continue to journalist fashion too, they there. Don't forget say they mention one journalist where they release video.
They don't even declare wanted.
So I think if we want really look at the issue now properly, make we they understand the direction where we they go. Maybe we look at where we they now with this government. Don't forget say one girl, Amina, was rescued.
So a couple of months back.
Yes, about 2 or 3 months ago. So everybody there for that time say, government don't get some intelligence from this girl, some information. We go help them track the remaining girl waiting inside that Sambisa forest. But unfortunately, we still there here like 3 months. After that period, nothing serious has happened. So we are in the situation now, be like say Boko Haram be the one way they push us.
Now then they in advantage.
Now then they trigger the thing, say these children still there with them. You people don't they sleep. Because before they release this video over the weekend, almost everybody has gone to sleep. Even the people who are there for government self, we don't hear any update, we don't hear any effort they are making. But we suppose no day for this kind level.
No,
on top this matter now, this yes, they don't kidnap them for almost 2 years.
Oga Daniel, make I come from this angle. Join two of the things we want to talk. Now you don't already talk and say, if you watch this thing well, it be like say arrangements
from the beginning.
But you talk say from the angle of objectivity, say talk don't plenty. Everybody they give their own version. But we come marry two things together now.
Good.
And the first one now say, every day we dey hear say our soldier people they rescue people, men, women, girls, children, plenty people.
Yes.
But it just be like say somehow the Chibok girls there, nobody don't locate where they dey.
My brother.
If you watch the video, they even put background.
This
they
thing
put black
you
background
now, na mystery.
No Look, no mistake.
Nigeria soldier fit solve
No
the
mistake.
Say that they release people, I be say.
because the people wey they rescue in 1,000 in 2,000 na so dem dey rescue them plenty but we never see any of these girls but we should not forget say
Now why the question be say if for example if people when they follow the Nigerian army for Twitter and even for Instagram they see their Facebook post as dem dey do am dem dey put am out say we dey work or we dey see am but people dey look say if this government now na 1 year 3 months the army don step up we don see say something wey dey happen every week before when be say dem dey throw bomb the thing don reduce well well even though some senators still dey argue say some senator from Borno still dey argue say this Boko Haram jaguda people dem still dey their place so make una no go gawk am now my question now na say if you dey release people in their hundreds in their thousand almost every week where these Chibok girls dem dey gong shey na say some people just dey wait like oga is dey talk arrangement
bros me there is no conspiracy dey for this Chibok matter make we follow the story one by one.
Okay.
When this thing happen federal government say make una no go school for that place no dey safe state government say make una come the principal of the school begin announce to the students say all of una must come school every day during that period that is why on the day when they take physics over 300 students dey for school
for physics
for northern Nigeria. So there is no conspiracy no be say there any wayo the fact be say from the beginning this Chibok abduction na wayo na politics and unfortunately dem waste these girls life for nothing. My brother check am now all those ladies wey dey say we bring back our girl where they dey now.
e get one wey dey give position
NMP all of them don get better post.
my people
now unfortunately those girls they don waste most of their lives finish. Person wey dey for with terrorists for 2 years some don carry belle they don use for suicide bombers and they now use. So what
if I go rather bring her from this angle okay fine if from the angle wey dey bring her say all these things say monkey hand dey inside okay now I ask oga Akinlami okay in dey talk say monkey hand dey inside if monkey hand dey inside say you notice say maybe somehow the monkey hand okay babu
don pass monkey
say somehow say if you look at from the picture wey we dey hear from oga Ezugwu say make no be say somehow someone na in affiliation with the parents or probably in affiliation with people who understand the system na carry out this particular thing because if parents go still dey come and dey cry and people come say they come kidnap girl and this girl no even react no move body somehow shey we notice maybe somehow a relationship dey between the whole thing.
Well, my brother, as you see this case so it don pass 2 years now wey they don kidnap these children and I think for the parents of this Chibok girl wey we dey talk so nothing concern them with the politics involved. All they want to hear is that make these their girls come back home. In fact we get plenty talk as per the people wey dey involved how the girls were kidnapped but the thing wey I dey beg make we focus on now for obodo Naija be say how we go take rescue this girl. Now we don dey talk say Nigeria army don rescue people plenty people but we never see any of these girls. Some people don talk am say you know these girls they be like gold for Boko Haram hand. Na dem dey use do negotiation. Anytime they wan show face say they still dey in control they still dey fight battle. Dem go bring video about this girl. So maybe that is part of the reason wey make the thing difficult for now. But where we be now be say we dey beg our soldiers the Nigerian army make them deploy more efforts gather intelligence because we no fit dey on top this case now dey go the 3rd year so make them deploy more strategy because now that these people see the release video now it show say we must work out and see what we can do.
Bros, the video
may I quickly chip in this other question? Okay, fine. If they call for over the last 2 years, we never see any quick action. We never see any results. Say they will try rescue girls. Okay, even the few ones will come back, then come back on their own. Okay, but with this latest information now, we say this faction they don't divided.
Yes.
Waiting how it is say we will fit successfully bring back these girls. Where the other section no go say no, we no go agree. Make them fight. We take blocker.
My answer: we never be serious for this country. May I give you an example for Russia? When some terrorists go take over one school building, now when they begin kill some of the students one by one, the government say, okay, do over 300 students there, we go enter any person where we see will survive. We'll just stop this rubbish now. So for this government to begin tell us say, then get idea where these girls they. But now because of the life of these girls, they don't want to go rush in to rescue. Now absolute rubbish. Person there with terrorists for 2 years. Every day the person they die. Every day then they rape the girl, then they pregnant them. You say because of their life, you know what enter. You they joke. The reality be say we never begin day serious. If we day serious, anywhere where these girls they, if you enter, if now only 10 or 30 or 100, you survive. You bring them out. Because as long as these girls they there, they bleed with the pain. Make no mistake, the girls and the parents no follow for this way. Okay. Now arrange politicians, now follow do this thing. And most of those people who follow do them, then they benefit from them now till tomorrow. And they benefit. Some of them don't get appointments. Now only obviously never get an appointment. All of them don't get better appointments. And they don't succeed. Now once they succeed, enter office, then relax.
Well, guys, what we all talk, we say, anyhow when we take a look this particular story from, it go good make we come from the angle of say we be Nigerians. And say these girls, they be our sisters. Their family members, now people when we say, we as we do like this, no matter as we take talk and we don't know what and go through. Because papa and mama, they 2 years, no saying picking, no saying picking, they with Boko Haram jaguda people. The feeling no be something when go there.
We agree.
So what we all talk, we say, our soldier people, they do their best, they try because now the first time in a long while when we say we go here say people when they inside Boronu even gather watch ball. People when they inside Yobe fit gather even watch ball. And people fit go church without all these particular ones. But we go like call on them say make they even sit up too because from the video when we say Alba now we release, him been they accuse Oga Shekau say in the key Muslims. In the key this, in the key that. Say their own and say they won't target Christians, they won't target churches, they won't target that. So make our army them no go for their hand and say we don't reach one particular level. Make them rise because the primary responsibility of every government is to ensure the protection of the lives and property of everybody when they inside that particular country. More put full stop for that particular one. The discussion of this thing come up. But more enter the next one now we get to do with the People's Democratic Party. Everybody understands say opposition for democracy. That's something when they very, very good. Because we all know if they think the same way. But it be like say somehow now the only opposition party one will get because if like say the other ones now only when election time reach then they will come up Oga Akinlami you no go vex but make we talk am because some of them will not even know whether they still get office till today but opposition they did very, very good because those when they rule go know say alternative day they need to behave themselves. But it be like say the PDP now the part when they now part of say they want enter inside canal. Convention supposed to happen this Wednesday. Alimodu Sheriff they insist if they don't meet in terms and conditions, no convention. People when somebody like Chief Nyesom Wike they talk say they must go ahead with the convention. Ayodele Fayose don't come out and say he regret saying he will support Alimodu Sheriff. And we know the way when Nigeria they go now. Make we talk through the way in the country they go now. If to say we get viable opposition, those when they for inside government go try their best to use to say they sit. But some people going to talk say like say Alimodu Sheriff and APC plant am inside PDP. I go like because I like the way you nod your head.
Yes.
What do you think of this particular situation now? Now, say elephant nose don't enter inside this arrangement. I'll be waiting.
PDP they suffer for their wayo. When they carry person will be in law to the Oga for APC, go make chairman. No be grace.
But you know matter.
Sheriff, it matter where my brother.
No political party. Political party no be about family.
Who tell you?
We don't see family members.
Make we talk like America. Make we talk like America. Naija with this.
Okay.
So it's about family. You go carry person will be in law, go make chairman. The man go show now win. This one understand that the part 1. Part 2, 3 go even day worse than what happen now. And the thing what the people they suffer now that the mistake what they don't do when they're supposed to do it. You know, if you remember, when APC won't start, you get another group of boys where go rush, create one kind jago APC. Instead of government to say, okay, now this is politics, so maybe we'll see how we go take this thing, stop this, we'll not do it. So the APC with the government now then they sponsor this crisis for PDP, and they never begin. So the team say, as it day now, maybe not to even begin look for another opposition. Maybe Nigerians begin clear their eye. Because those with the PDP now, many of them don't put their hand into bad things. And it's very difficult for them to come out to contest.
It's possible to say any politician for this country.
Yes.
Whether PDP, whether APC, it's possible to say any politician for this country never put hand. Those who know the government never put hand inside bad things.
You be politician, I be politician, everybody politician.
No, but it gets specification.
Which specification?
There are politicians and there are
politicians. You know they vote, you won't vote.
There are politicians that have not soiled their hands.
Okay.
But this PDP matter, it no matter any side where we look at, the main cause for this wahala be greed. All the principal actors where they involved in all this arranging for convention and 2019 sharing opposition, now greed they drive all of them. Now, Alimadu Sheriff dey on him home. The rumor wey we get be say 2 governors went to beg him say make he come bring money pay all the PDP secretarial debt, all the worker wey dem dey owe. They promise am 2019 tickets. He put down his money, spend, carry drum, dey dance, go Ekiti, go River, go up and down. Suddenly, the people wey believe say they wan use am feel like say the agenda for him don finish. So they turn the table suddenly. But the truth be say most of the people wey dey involved here, they no get national interest. Now wetin dem go chop, wetin dem go grab, wetin dem go get. Now the thing wey dey center this wahala na 2019.
So basically wetin dey try to
the person wan grab tickets to run, the one wey wan become party chairman, no national interest. And a party wey dey do like this, as you put am going gone. These people don go, don gone. So we go see how we go get.
You dey spread rumor too much here. You talk say na which kind money those wey the PDP they look for, where they no go fit get, where they go beg one person, where the former governor more than 5 years ago. Nothing concern Sheriff. Look, the mistake where they make now to bring this man will be in-law to become
the reason why they bring that
money. What kind of money get?
You sure say no be the money when he get?
Some of this rumor, some of this rumor, there's no fire without smoke.
But we say money
for Naija,
we set
smoke, no fire.
But there's no.
For Naija now, you go see plenty smoke, no fire, nothing. Now just create one.
Okay. But the issue now be say PDP no get federal. All the bonanza where they spread that time no dey there. So the game now be say it then the hand of those who fit put money down. We no fit argue about that one.
That's why APC there also.
Make
the same.
Make me tackle this PDP one first. APC souls too now another day matter. But if we enter that one, I'm not going to leave this place today. But the issue now be say this PDP cannot provide opposition for this time when we dey.
You don't drop one bombshell now. You don't talk say this PDP cannot provide opposition for this time when we dey. Quickly we go rush enter inside one small break. When we go the break, come back, we go try as much as we can to squeeze in these 2 stories we enter. Then we'll try our phone lines open, make yourself call to contribute for inside this particular matter. You think say the Chibok girls them their arrangements now scam? This new video where they don't release now to distract Nigerians. This PDP own they don't really go or gone. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion as Ide. You when they ask now, you must complete them. No, I will not complete it.
Hot.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.